booming me.
Maybe Papa.
Only because of me, India will start saying wallah.
Just shut up. Me, murder.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Not the English accent. Not the Hindi accent.
The
Okay, पहले hi bye.
कितने pretty है यार हम. Oh my god. I'm here with Anvesha today.
Hello.
Today we are asking 5 different questions to each other. And what are we doing? What else?
That's it. We've compiled the questions from
ChatGPT.
of course.
Okay.
If I got arrested today, what would you assume I did?
Murder.
Me, murder.
Yeah.
Me,
Yeah.
murder, a human. That's possible. Not an animal.
That's possible. A human murder is very much possible. And I
like
kind of...
like a planned murder.
Yeah.
Me.
And I kind of know I have prospects. We'll say that off camera.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're absolutely right.
See? If my life was a movie, what genre would it be?
You know, one of those movies where a girl moves to foreign and then she realizes life is so much better, and then she comes back and she's facing all these kind of troubles, and then, you know, eventually she realizes that she's actually a little funny and that she has a lot more potential than she thought. So like a
Feel good movie, and in which the protagonist is finding herself.
Yeah. One of them. Like
Through
Queen.
the phases of life.
Queen, but a
I've
better
never
version.
watched Queen.
It's a good film.
So the second question.
What's one thing that I would do which would annoy my my present partner? I think there are a lot of things.
Exactly. Okay. So बहुत सारी हैं यार.
I feel like कुछ भी नहीं है. That's why you don't have an answer.
Bro. I think she told me today, like, she pretends to fake her accent.
Of course. But wait. Not the English accent. Not the Hindi accent.
The
Bajika accent. Okay.
She pretends to fake it, to feel related from where is she from, but it's embarrassing.
It's not. हमें नहीं पता हम क्या कर रहे हैं.
It's embarrassing.
Okay, your turn.
It's one thing you'd never say to my face until now.
That I've never said to your face. I'm so proud of you.
Tell me that every fucking day.
But I honestly think you have a lot of potential that you don't give yourself credit for. Like, I think you are meant for bigger and greater things, and you're very natural. You don't have to, like, you don't have to ever, you know, think that, am I good? You should always know that you're good. Like, you're a wonderful person.
Why are you, like, booming me?
What's boom?
Like, कि मेरे को तू ऐसे उस पे क्यों डाल रही है कि ये तो बातें होती है ना. We don't say these things. We shouldn't say these things.
No,
तो
we
मेरा
should.
वो
I think-
trigger कर रही है.
No, I think we should say these things.
No,
It's important for the world also to know who you are. And who knows you better than me, myself, and I. Okay, who is more likely to have a breakdown, emotional breakdown, every few days?
I don't want to say it, but
Yours truly. Oh, okay, me only, right?
yeah.
But that's only because I get triggered by the world. That's not a self
Yeah.
reflection.
And that's only in front of me.
Yeah. I don't cry.
और दुनिया है ही ऐसी.
She's right.
What's the pettiest 5 we have read?
Pettier, a lot of them, but I feel like most of our fights are very petty. They're never serious.
And then we take it for so long.
We have blocked each other for 3 months, but we were in 7.
Yes.
I think that would
Maybe
be the
we were in
pettiest one.
7th and then we were in
11.
11th. Not even 11th.
almost college beginning.
Yeah.
But we, yeah,
petty
petty. All of them are petty only. We've never had touch road a serious fight.
Yep, your turn. But then वो friendship ही क्या जिसमें आप block नहीं हुए एक दूसरे से.
And then
Yeah.
आपको realize ना होगा
Oh,
this girl.
इसके बिना तो no one in this entire world
My hair looks so bouncy.
is happy to hear me.
है ना?
What?
Nothing.
They look
What?
very pretty.
Thank you. What is
They look very
something?
gorge.
No. What's something I changed about myself since we became friends?
You have grown. Like, of course.
Of course,
physically.
I have grown.
Like-
Sixth. Okay. Mentally.
Oh my god, I'm very
What?
unhappy that my best friend's phone has my name saved like Ika.
I have my
Teva.
dad's name saved with his full name, so please.
I don't have my dad's number saved.
Yeah, I'm a testimony to
And,
that.
and उसके नीचे ऐसे आता है, my iPhone says maybe Papa. What's my worst taste? Music, clothes, people, anything.
Words. So so it's words.
तू
Yeah.
इतनी ज़्यादा वो क्यों थी? Why were you so eager to answer?
I am desperate to let the world know that she tries to incorporate in a very fake sense certain
Voila.
words into her diction. Yeah.
Wallah.
Oh my god, please. So yeah,
It's like wallah.
it's really annoying. The
It's
accent,
not
the
annoying.
word, you saying that.
She says astaghfirullah
That's just
every few seconds.
that's in a very sarcastic manner. She says it in all due seriousness. You're like, wallah, no,
Wallah is just like I swear.
no, it's disgusting.
Yes, it's not.
I mean, not the word. Her saying that, that's weird.
It's not weird.
And she has literally said that, bro. I'm thinking that I'm gonna incorporate this word into my day to day. I'm like, what? Incorporate a word? Like what? That's
Wallah.
crazy, guys. That's crazy.
You're dead.
Who's more dramatic? I think we both
Wallah,
are.
that's you.
I'm no.
Yes.
No. I think we both are equal. Like the fact that you had to say, voila, that's you. I think you're more dramatic. Let's just give it to that. I think we both are. I'm not dramatic per se. Okay, I'll tell you the difference. I'm very expressive. Like when I talk, I have to do this and that. Yeah. And she has to, voila, oh my god, gorge. She's when I'm dramatic by words, I'm dramatic by my actions. Like, and like face. I can really,
Yes.
so, two different shades of dramatic.
Yep. If I become famous, what would I get cancelled for?
What would you get cancelled for saying Wallah?
No, come on. Everybody is gonna, take up wallah in their dictionary because of me. Only because of me, India will start saying wallah.
Just shut up. I think she'll get cancelled for this over like emphasizing too much about yourself, India will adopt a word. Are you crazy?
No, India will. India
I mean,
will.
inshallah India will, but
See, now she's doing astaghfirullah, inshallah. I cannot even say wallah.
I took that from my ex-best friend, whom I dearly miss. But I did. She's not gonna watch it. She's not gonna watch it. She hates driving in India.
Driving in India is
God.
bad.
No, it's not. You just need practice.
It's terrible.
No, she's a good driver.
यहाँ से गाड़ी निकल जाएगी, of course.
By cut.
But ऐसे कौन लगाता है? तेरे बाप की सड़क है क्या यार?
Byrak. Or up there. Guys, forgive my driver accent. Your driver accent is so sexy.
Yes. Driver accent is actually sexy. The way you can say Bayrak, Dairak, Baikat.
By cut. What is even cut? Guys, it's set. Like from where I am, यहाँ पे ऐसे by cut.
Bye.
या फिर थोड़ा दाब के रखो.
What does दाब के mean?
दाब के is like थोड़ा कोने से निकलो, थोड़ा दाब के रखो.
चल नहीं.
नहीं, दाब के रखो is like निकलो निकलो, हल्के से उसी जिधर हो उसी साइड
से
से
धीरे
नहीं,
Okay.
जैसे लेफ्ट या गोइंग, हाँ तो लेफ्ट दाग के रखो, मतलब लेफ्ट सटा के निकल जाओ वैसे।
ओके ओके कट लो कट लो कट लो कट लो बिट लो कट लो